Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all the process to getting a bomb braid out. I just got out the shower, so my hair is nice and clean, and that's how I wanted to start this braid out on wet hair. You can do it on dry hair, but I just wanted to do it on wet hair because it was time for my hair to be washed. And don't mind me singing along to the music in my background. Anyways, so what you want to do is part your hair into sections, and that's how I have to do my hair because as y'all can see I have a lot of hair and it gets tangled very easily, so I have to work on my hair in sections in order to be able to manage it. But what you see me doing is just splitting my hair directly down the middle, and then I'm gonna make 2 additional sections on each side of the part. Now this isn't the side that I'm going to start with, but before I tie this side away, I just want to spray it with a little bit of leave-in conditioner because I don't want my hair to dry without any type of product on it. So that's what you see me doing here, is just spraying it with some leave-in conditioner. Now I'm just going to twist the sections on this side up so that it won't be in the way once I start on the other side. So now that all of the other sections are conditioned and out of the way, we're just going to split that one big section into smaller sections. I like to do 3 per section, and there's really no reason why I just chose to do 3, but just make a note that the bigger the braids are, the less defined the curls will be, and of course the smaller the braids are, the more defined the curls will be. So just keep that in mind, and also try to make the braids as even as possible. Okay, so once you have your first braid parted, you're just gonna take some oil, and I forgot to show y'all what oil that is, but it came in a different container, but I just put it in that application bottle so it'll be easier to put on my scalp. But I will link it in the description box what type of oil it is. And once I feel that the oil has been distributed good enough throughout my hair, I'm just going to take some styling cream and put that in my hair as well, and then we're going to start braiding that section up. Once you get to the end of the braid, you're just going to apply a little extra of the styling cream, just because you know the ends need a little extra tender love and care. So just apply a little bit more, and then you're going to twist it around your finger so that it makes a cute little curl. Now we have our cute little braid. That was super easy to do. And I'm just going to speed up the rest of this section, and I will come back somewhere towards the front. So I was going to add in some of the clips from me doing the front, but I didn't want this video to be too long. And anyways, it's all the same. So I think y'all got the idea. So now I'm going to go to sleep because it was pretty late. So I just put my scarf on, and I'm just going to go to sleep and wake up the next morning when my hair is dry. And that'll be the next thing that you see. Alright y'all, so it's the next day, and this is what the braids are looking like dry. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave like 2 braids down from each side, and then I'm just gonna pull the rest of it up, and I'm just gonna take those down for now. Alright y'all, so I wanted to show you a little trick for if your hair is still a little bit damp and you don't want your hair to be frizzy when you take your braids out. So this is very important. So do not separate your hair as soon as you undo all the braids, because that's what's going to make it frizzy. You want to blow dry it before you start separating it. As soon as you take it out the braid, you want to blow dry it immediately, and that way the braid is going to dry in the form that it's in. So you see the little dents in it from the braid. If you blow dry it as soon as you take it out of the braid the hair is gonna take the form of that little dent that creates the wave that you want your braid out to take. Okay, so I hope that made sense to y'all. But once you're done blow drying, you're just gonna resume taking out the rest of the braids and then blow dry if needed. Y'all, look at these curls. They are fun. Now that we are done with taking down all the braids, we are going to start separating the curls, waves, whatever the pattern is that the braids make. When I'm separating my hair, I kind of like to just let my fingers glide down the length of my hair. I just find that eliminates some of the frizz, and it's easier for my hair to just separate the way it naturally wants to when I let it slide down rather than just pulling it apart. Now you're going to take a comb and comb out the roots so you can hide those parts that you made when you were sectioning off your hair. That also helps to make your hair look more voluminous if you like big hair. Just making sure everything is nice and separated and big. And look at that, y'all. Tell me that is not a bomb braid out. Okay, really don't tell me if you think that. I'm just kidding, but it looks so good. Look at that, y'all. Popping. Okay, girl. All right. I clearly thought I was cute. Okay, guys, so this is the finished product, and y'all, look at these curls. It came out so good, y'all. So good. Oh my gosh. But this is my twist out routine. This is normally how I always do my twist. I haven't done a braid out in a while, so I just thought I'd get on here and show you guys how I do mine. I mean, look at this, y'all. Look. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Give y'all a back view. Curls are nice and defined. So if you like this twist out, I keep saying twist out, braid out. If you did, please make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you guys so much for watching.